Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I make these delicious and fluffy pancakes. Kids love this recipe so much and I hope you make it for your kids at home. So now let's get started. Here are the few ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. Of course, I have some eggs, milk, all-purpose flour, melted butter, baking powder, sugar, and some salt. So guys, now I'm going to be sieving my flour, my baking powder, and salt. I'm just doing this because I don't want to have any lumps in my pancake. So I'm just going to be mixing the flour because I want all the ingredients to mix properly. Then I will set it aside. Now in my bowl, I'm going to pour in my 2 eggs. I'm going to use my mixer. You can use your hand mixer. I'll add sugar, butter, I will add the milk. It's time for me to pour in the flour. I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm just going to set the mixer to the high level so that it can mix properly. So guys, this is the kind of consistency you want. You don't want it to be too thick, nor too light. So now I'm going to be greasing my pan with some butter, but you can as well use oil, anyone you wish. So now I'm going to be adding my butter. So when the butter started bubbling, then you can flip it to the other side. And I'm going to do each side for 1 minute. So as you can see, I'm just going to flip it to the other side and I'm going to leave it for another 1 minute. Then our pancake is ready. I'm just going to do the process again. So guys, try and play with this with your kids at home. Kids love pancakes. They like to play with it. My daughter always do it at home alone. So you can also do it with your kids at home to keep them busy, especially this moment that we are indoor doing nothing. So this can really help your children to keep them busy. So try it out at home. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. And guys, remember to hit that notification bell so that you never miss any of my videos. I'm going to be spreading some Nutella on top of my pancake because my daughter loves it with Nutella. But you can also use some jam. All depends on what you like. You can even eat it like that. Sometimes I eat it like that. It's good to go. And I'm also going to add some raspberry to give it a fine color. So guys, as you can see, it's so easy to make, and please try to make it for your kids. And if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much and God bless you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Ciao, bye bye, ciao ciao.